Gold and silver have always caught our eye. Their glow is more than just beautiful, it pulls us in, promising much more than what meets the eye. For thousands of years, people have chased these metals, risking their lives and fortunes to hold them. Gold shines like the sun, while silver glows like the moon. These metals seem to whisper secrets of wealth and power to anyone who finds them. The story of gold and silver is like a treasure map. It is filled with adventure, hope, and sometimes heartbreak. Through deserts and jungles, under mountains and oceans, men and women have searched for these metals. Sometimes, whole cities sprang up overnight when gold or silver was found nearby. Other times, violence and greed followed in their wake. Why do gold and silver have this power over us? It is partly their look, no rust, no decay, always shining. It is also their mystery. Gold and silver cannot be made by man. They must be found. This makes them rare, and what is rare becomes precious. Their story is not just about riches, but about dreams and desires that never fade. As we explore their hidden tale, we will see how gold and silver have shaped wars, toppled empires, and saved nations. In every age, these metals have left a mark. Their mystery is not just in the past, it still matters today. Long ago, people traded goods like salt, shells, or cattle. But these could spoil or disappear. Gold and silver changed everything. They didn't rust or rot and could be shaped into coins or jewelry. Soon, rulers wanted these metals. Whoever had gold or silver could buy armies, land, or loyalty. Their shine meant trust. People believed in their value everywhere. The story of gold and silver is the story of ambition and dreams. Gold's power has not always brought peace. Sometimes it brought chaos and ruin. One famous story is the California Gold Rush of 1849. When news spread that gold was found in California, people rushed from all over the world. Towns sprang up overnight. Fortunes were made and lost in a day. But there was also violence, theft, and lawlessness. Some found gold, many found only trouble. Another wild tale comes from Spain and the New World. In the 1500s, Spanish explorers invaded the lands of the Aztecs and Incas. They were hungry for gold. Cities were destroyed, people were killed, and ancient treasures were melted down. The gold-filled ships heading for Spain. But it also brought war and sorrow. The greed for gold changed the world forever. Gold has also toppled kings. In France, King Louis XVI spent so much on gold and wars that he ran out of money. The people rose up in the French Revolution, and the king lost his throne and his head. Too much gold can be as dangerous as too little. Each time gold appeared, it promised hope, but also brought risk. The search for gold has driven people to cross oceans, fight battles, and build new nations. But it has also left scars, on the land and in our history. Silver has its own stories of power and chaos. The Spanish Empire became rich on silver from mines in Mexico and Peru. Millions of silver coins poured into Europe and then to Asia. This flood of silver changed the world's economy. It made Spain rich for a time, but it also led to inflation and troubles at home. In China, silver became the main money for trade. Traders from Europe and Japan rushed to sell goods for silver. The Chinese emperors demanded taxes in silver, which created a hunger for the metal. But when silver became scarce, chaos followed. Farmers could not pay taxes. The government grew weak. In the 1600s, this helped bring down the Ming dynasty. Silver also played a secret role in wars and revolutions. In America, silver mines helped fund the fight for independence. Later, silver coins were used to pay workers and soldiers. At times, whole countries argued over whether gold or silver should be their money. These so-called currency wars tore nations apart. Silver may not shine as bright as gold, but its story is just as dramatic. Its quiet power has built empires, fueled trade, and sometimes led to ruin. Silver's whisper is heard in every corner of history. Today, most money is just numbers on a screen, yet gold and silver still matter. Central banks around the world keep piles of gold in their vaults. When times are good, people may forget about these metals. But when there is trouble, wars, crashes, or inflation, gold and silver become important again. Many people buy gold and silver to protect their wealth. They do not trust banks or paper money. In countries like India, families save gold for weddings or hard times. In the West, investors buy gold bars or silver coins. Some think gold is old-fashioned, but when markets fall, more people want it. Gold and silver do not pay interest like a bank account, but they do not disappear either. They are not just for the rich. Small coins or jewelry can be passed down in families. These metals are a kind of safety net, a way to hold on to value when everything else seems risky. Even as technology changes the world, the old magic of gold and silver remains. They are a link to the past, a sign of wealth that everyone understands. Their story is not finished. It is still being written today. Throughout history, gold and silver have been safe havens in times of chaos. When paper money fails, people turn back to these metals. During the Great Depression in the 1930s, many banks went broke. People lined up to exchange their paper dollars for gold. Governments had to act fast to stop panic. In 2008, the global financial crisis hit. Stock markets crashed and banks collapsed. Once again, gold prices soared as people rushed to buy it. Silver followed. These metals did not solve every problem, but they gave people hope and something solid to hold on to. Gold and silver have also played a role in rebuilding after wars. After World War II, countries used gold to back their new currencies. This helped rebuild trust and trade between nations. Even today, when new crises hit, like the COVID-19 pandemic or regional wars, gold and silver become more valuable. The calm that gold and silver bring is not just about money. It is about trust, hope, and the belief that something strong will always remain when everything else falls apart. Gold and silver have weathered every storm in history. They have seen empires rise and fall, kings crowned and toppled, fortunes made and ruined. Through it all, they have never lost their shine. Why? Because they are more than just metals. They are symbols of hope, safety, and dreams. People still chase gold and silver today, just as they did centuries ago. Their glow is a promise that something valuable endures, even when the world changes. In art, in money, in stories and songs, these metals remind us of what matters most: trust, beauty, and the chance for a better life. The story of gold and silver is not just about the past. It is about today and tomorrow. As long as people dream of wealth and fear chaos, these metals will matter. They are not just treasures. They are part of what makes us human. Their secret power is not just in their shine, but in the stories we tell and the faith we place in them. Gold and silver will always have a place in the story of wealth, power, and survival.